Cold tar patching is generally safe once fully cured, but keeping children and pets away during application and curing is essential. Cold tar patching works by filling cracks or depressions with a viscous emulsion that cures through solvent evaporation and binder coalescence, forming a flexible seal. Use a product labeled for residential driveway or walk repair, and follow the manufacturer directions for temperature and surface preparation. Start by cleaning the area thoroughly of loose debris, vegetation, oil, and moisture because adhesion relies on a dry, sound substrate. A wire brush and a shop vacuum or stiff broom work well. For deeper holes, compact a granular base or use a backer material to prevent excessive shrinkage and to support the patch. Apply the cold tar in layers no thicker than 1 inch and compact each layer with a tamper or the blunt end of a 2x4. Smooth and feather the edges so water does not track beneath the patch, and check cure time on the product label, remembering that lower temperatures and higher humidity slow curing significantly. After curing, test a small area by pressing with a fingernail or shoe heel to confirm a firm feel before allowing foot traffic, and wait at least 24 to 48 hours before allowing unsupervised children or pets on the repaired surface, extending that if the manufacturer specifies a longer cure. Common mistakes include applying cold tar to a contaminated or wet surface, which leads to poor adhesion and early failure. So always clean and dry the area first, and allow a full drying period after any wash or rain. Another mistake is overfilling deep holes in a single pass, which causes sinking and cracking as the material cures, so fill in multiple compacted lifts and allow partial cure between lifts when needed. A third mistake is allowing foot or paw traffic too soon, which picks at uncured material and prevents a uniform cure, so keep the area cordoned off with cones, temporary fencing, or bright tape, and check the product cure indicator before permitting access. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides tools to post jobs, read and share project experiences, and compare approaches to repairs like cold tar patching. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips, timelines, and product experiences to help everyone make safer, more confident decisions.